In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use long position tool and short position in Tradingview. These tools are perfect for visually planning trades, measuring risk and reward, and communicating your idea clearly on the chart. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find them, how to place them, how to adjust them, and how to read the information they display. First, locate the tool. On the left-hand toolbar, open the Prediction and Measurement Tools menu and choose either long position for bullish ideas or short position for bearish ones. If you use these often, consider pinning them to your toolbar so they're always one click away. This keeps your workflow fast and consistent. Next, place the tool. Click on the chart near your intended entry price. For a long, click where you expect to enter a buy. For a short, where you'd enter a sell. You'll see a box with three key parts: the entry line in the middle, a red zone for your stop loss below for longs or above for shorts, and a green zone for your profit target on the other side. You can drag the entire tool to reposition it without changing your levels. Now, adjust the zones. Grab the handles to set your exact entry, stop loss, and take profit. Align them with structure on the chart, like recent highs, lows, or support and resistance. Keep your stop where the trade idea is clearly invalidated, not just where it feels safe. As you move the handles, watch how the ratio changes so you can quickly aim for a favorable risk to reward. Analyze the data the tool provides. It displays the risk to reward ratio, price distances in percent or ticks, and potential profit and loss based on your inputs. This gives you a quick read on whether the setup meets your plan. If the numbers don't add up, adjust your levels or consider passing on the trade. Configure settings to make the tool work for you. Click the settings icon to set risk, by percent or fixed amount. Define account size if you want position sizing. And toggle what's shown on the chart, like prices, percentages, and the RR label. You can customize colors and line styles for clarity and save your preferences as a template, so every new position tool starts exactly how you like it. Finally, if your bias changes, you don't have to delete and redraw. Right-click the tool and select Reverse Position to flip a long to a short or a short to a long, keeping the same distances and formatting. That's it: clean, visual, and precise trade planning with the long